Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about prevention and control of fish enemies. As in previous lecture, we actually discussed about different organisms that act as enemy for the fish. And in today's lecture, our main focus will be how we can control that organisms which are harmful for the fish. But before start of lecture, if you are new here in this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. So let's start the lecture. As we already discussed, there are different vertebrates and invertebrates that are harmful for the fish. Among all the invertebrates, insect and phylum Arthropoda among the most important phylum which are harmful for the fish. So what a farmer need to do to control that insects like water beetle, water bug and dragonflies are the among most important organisms which are harmful for the fish. So the first step that need to take is do not place nursery pond more than 15 days. It means not place a fish in nursery pond more than 15 days, because if any insect present in that water, it will take very much less time to harm the fish. So immediately after 15 days, remove the fish from nursery pond and transfer it into stocking pond. And make sure the stocking pond is cleaned and there is no larva of the insect. And secondly, clean up all the swamps and grassy ditches and make sure there is no insect larva, insect eggs, and the adult insect as well. And the farmer should focus on the fish that actually feed on the insect, because if any insect will be present in the water, it will not harmful for the fish, because fish can feed on that insect and the water will ultimately clean. And how we can control the voracious fishes, because voracious fishes are the carnivorous fish which are very much harmful for the for the other fish, because voracious fish actually shows the cannibalism behavior and it feed on the smaller fish. So the first step, do not let in the voracious fish. Make sure where you have cultured your fish and where is your farm and where is your hatchery and where is your tank, no voracious fish should be present, because if it will be present, it will harmful for your stock and for it for your culture as well. And install the pond properly. Make sure the inlet is properly installed and there is no opening for insect, and for make sure there is no larva and no adult and no egg of insect or other fish is present which actually as a voracious. And how we can control the less voracious fish like black bullhead and hemichromous fish. Basically, these less voracious fish can get enter in the culture system easily. And make sure the inlet is properly installed and the drying out period is not too long, because if it will be too long, there are the chances of black bullhead and hemichromous will be present in that area, and interval should not be should be regular. And how we can control the amphibians and reptiles like frogs, tadpole, and snakes destroy the egg of amphibians as seen. Because if the eggs of amphibian and reptiles will be present in that area where you are culturing your fish, it will be very much harmful for the fish. The population of frog and snakes can be controlled by keeping premises around clean and clear, and do not allow bushes to grow around the pond. Water channels should also be kept clean and clear, and short grass around the pond reduces hiding places for the snake and frog, which make them more vulnerable to predation by hawks. And how we can control the birds like kingfisher and deerfish and ducks and swan. Tying sting at close interval over the pond prevent diving bird from being able to fly away once they have come down or dive through the strings. And you should place and you should not leave any dead animal or feed laying around pond, because birds may come to feed on them. And one may also train dogs on the farm to scare away birds, and proper fencing around the pond is the most important and most commonly used method uh, uh, to prevent and to control the fish enemies. And how we can control the mammals, and the best way to combat otter is to use trap, and we can use the live bait as well to control that otter. Solid toothed trap should be used, and place these trap underwater or at entrance. So if any otter will be enter in that pond and in that tank or in that hatchery where you are culturing your fish, that otter can be trapped easily. And how you can control that muskrat? Venting pond must be taken care of by these rats, and they can be trapped or poisoned, and water shoes can be destroyed by poison or trap as well. In short, you can say all the mammals can be controlled by using different baits, and by using different live baits as well, and by using different poisons as well. But make sure the population and the species of the otter and muskrat and water shoe is not less. And if the mammals, these mammals are also already in very less number, there is a chance of in danger of this species. So make sure before using any bait. So the most familiar enemy for the fish is the man, and extremely difficult to control, and is most common in cage culture and other intensive fish farming. It is very much difficult to control the man, and as it is the more dangerous organism for the fish. And employing security personnel and use of trained dogs and hidden obstruction to prevent pond sealing, and fence the farm and lock securely. And it means when we are actually capture the fish in the open water in extensive system, make sure that fish is not is not in few number. If the fish that you are going to capture in is already in less number, there is a very much chances in future it will be in danger. So man should be keep some use sense, and should not capture all the fish and not destroy the population of the fish. Basically, that's all about today's lecture. I hope today's lecture is helpful for you. If it's helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz.